The man poured orange juice into his bowl of cereal. The man poured Coca-Cola from the bottle into the glass. The man poured coffee into the cup. The businesswoman poured water from the bottle into the glass. The man poured petrol into the petrol tank. The painter poured white paint into the tray. The boy poured milk from the jug into the glass. The waiter poured champagne into the champagne glass. The man poured some hot water from the flask into the cup. The woman poured tea from the teapot into the teacup. The man poured milk into the bowl of muesli. The man poured some beer from the beer bottle into the glass. The barman poured the cocktail drink from the drink shaker into the glass. The waiter poured red wine from the wine bottle into the wine glass. Jesus poured water into the bowl. The woman poured olive oil over the salad. The woman poured tomato sauce over the pasta and cheese. The man poured tomato ketchup over his hamburger. The woman poured chocolate sauce over the strawberries. The woman poured maple syrup over the pancakes. The chef poured different types of oils over the salad. The woman poured milk over the cornflakes. The man poured himself a cup of water from the water dispenser. The woman poured a glass of water from the tap. It poured down all the time when I went on holiday to Spain. The man poured the coins out of the jar.